Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a magical mandala inside a rainbow sketchbook. Super easy, super fun. Okay, let me tell you a funny and cute dramatic story about a very emotional sketchbook for your entertainment purpose only. There was a rainbow sketchbook who thought it looked fabulous. I mean, 7 colors on every page. Who would not be proud? But one day the sketchbook signed dramatically and said, "Ah, I may look colorful, but I feel empty. Inside nobody draws in me." Then suddenly a tiny mandala appeared, round, calm, and full of patterns. The sketchbook at least someone has noticed my beauty, the mandala replied. Don't be dramatic. I am just here to make you look even cooler. And the sketchbook, instead of getting angry, proudly said, "Well, thank you. I don't like attention." And today, buddies, we are going to draw that some beautiful drama loving mandala. So let's start before the sketchbook gets emotional again. Okay, guys, our dramatic little mandala is complete. I can almost hear the sketchbook shouting, "Look at me now, I'm an artwork superstar." The mandala is probably rolling its eyes and saying, "I just did my job, buddy. Calm down." If you like this fun drawing and dramatic story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun, cute, and easy drawing. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. Bye bye.